I'm making a quick video how to open 3ds Labs add-on. First, you have the top. um, Take off the four rubber on the bottom, and then you reveal the screws. Once you reveal the screws, you just screw them up, and then the top is supposed to come off. And afterwards, here you got this, as you see, this plate here. See, it goes around and around. This is actually like a sticker stick in there, and you just from once you have the top open, you can push it out from the inside, and once you push it out, you can pull out gently the whole circuit board. And, well, you first take off the knob. You just pull off the knob. The knob looks like this. That's all it is. If it's helpful, leave a like. Hope this video was useful. Have a good day.